Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to be working on the custom CT70 of mine. This is my own bike. It's been sitting in the shed for like bloody ages. Haven't been able to get onto it. Too busy doing everyone else's shit. But today we're going to pull it down, get it ready for paint. Yeah, I'll bring you in and show you a few things that I've done already. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, just a quick walk around. We've just mocked it all up. Brand new cables. We had to shorten a few of these just to make it fit with the new bars on it. We're running the Zongshen 190, Mikuni flat slide, white walls, kept speed rims. What else? Shorten the kickstand. Already done that, had it powder coated. What else? We're running the Moto Gadget indicators or blinkers. What else? New handlebars. Yeah, that's about it. We've bloody smoothed out the welds on the frame. All the spot welds have been smoothed out just because I like it. You don't have to. It just makes it look a bit smoother, you know. Other than that, it's pretty standard really. Not too much that's different. Anyway, we'll have a look around. Had to shorten the clutch cable. I'm running an internal clutch. Sorry, not clutch, bloody throttle. Zodiac internal throttle. Cable comes out here through the handlebars. Same with the wiring. When we do the wiring, it'll for the indicators and the horn. They'll go through the bars out here. Yeah, so that's it. Let's pull her down. so there it is. It's pulled down. We've got the hydraulic front shocks. These have been lowered 50mm from the factory. We've got aftermarket handlebars running the Zodiac internal throttle. I've welded these to the top bridge only because I like that look. It's nice and smooth. Got switch holes there, you'll see 1 and 2 for headlight, high beam and starter. We've got turn signal switch housing, horn on this side. Now I've welded on Honda lever perches just so I can run the Honda levers. Got provisions for mirrors. I like the look, it's nice and smooth. Yeah, we've got the speedo bracket, that's welded on. It's just a nice simple setup. It should look alright once it's all painted up. Alright, we've pulled the bike down. Now it's time to rub everything ready for paint. So the first thing we'll do is we'll get our blocks. We'll rub the flat areas with 400 grit sandpaper. The curved areas we'll use a softer block just so that we can smooth it all out. Once we've 400 it, we'll put a guide coat on it and then we'll wet rub it with 800. Then she should be ready for paint. Alright, so when we're blocking, the idea is to get all the guide coat off. Keeping the block flat. As you can see here, we've got a few low spots. Been rubbed there, but not there, so that means it's low. So we've got to block it more until that's gone. As you can see, pretty much gone now. That'll ensure that the surface is flat, not ripply. Okay, we've finished with the 400 grit. Next will be 800. Where, of course, we'll be using the palm of our hand for the flat areas, and then we'll use our fingers to get into the tight spots, like this sort of thing. Once we've done that, we'll clean it all off, blow it all off, and it will be ready for paint. Alright, a few things to remember when we're wet rubbing. We do not want to use our fingers like this. I'll show you why. See that? That will give you ripples. That's why we always try and use the palm of our hand.